A good listener has to have more than a good set of ears. They have to have eyes that are focused.
If their eyes are over me, behind me, to everybody else all around, except to me, I know I don't have their attention.
If I can quiet myself down and really make good eye contact with people.
The good listener keep shut up.
If you're interested in what the person is saying, you'll listen. If you want something from that person, you'll listen.
Take in the words that somebody is saying, think about them coming from that person's perspective, and then respond accordingly.
I believe Marcus is going a little nuts. That map that's hanging in his office, that is ridiculous. I had so many important things to discuss with him. Number one, why he hired 2 people that don't speak English, and he didn't even care. It was like he was on his own planet.
Look, I got Carol and Serena, and they're in orange.
Yeah.
You know why?
Because my face is orange, like your shirt?
Because I have the 2 most powerful women in the world right here.
Great. Marcus, I have a great idea. Can we play a little game?
Yeah, sure, I love games.
So you finish telling me about your map, like really quickly.
Uh-huh.
We'll see if you can do it in 10 seconds.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna talk to you.
Okay, great.
Okay, ready, go.
So you got these people in white, like Jock and Jungo. We really appreciate their diversity that they brought to the company. Sanjay, he's from Lahore. Sam's from Ireland, and then Steve is from Alabama. Yeah,
That was
that's
15
wonderful.
seconds.
He's got roots in Alabama. It's really wonderful.
You know what, Marcus, thank you for calling me powerful. I was just wondering if I could get your attention for a minute.
Yeah, you can, but look at it. Nadine's in white.
Marcus,
And so
do you know what would make me really happy?
what's that?
If we could listen to each other. It's like he listens with blinders on. He just doesn't listen. It's like, he's like a dog that wears one of those cone things over his head. I feel like you're really excited about what you have to say, and I'm excited to talk to you, but we're talking at each other and we're not really listening.
That's correct. And you did listen to me explain the map.
I did.
So now I will listen to you.
Okay. I'm an expert listener, and there's a lot of different cues you